Good morning everyone. Today I am starting new lesson, that's 3.5 Unbeatable Super Mom Mary Kom. Everyone knew this greatest personality, the greatest boxing champion Mary Kom. And this topic is about this great legend Mary Kom, about his life history, about his achievements, and about his struggle in her life. In this topic, Mary Kom Mary Kom's interview has been given. Let's start. Mary Kom. About Mary Kom. Changi Jung Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982, better known as Mary Kom, is an Olympic Indian boxer coming from the Kom tribe in Manipur. Look, Mary Kom's name is Changi Jung Mary Kom. Changi Jung Mary Kom. She was born on 24th November in 1982. And she has been popular as Mary Kom. She has been popularly known as Mary Kom, and such Mary Kom is an Olympic boxer coming from Mary Kom tribe in Manipur. From the Kom tribe in Manipur. Manipur, there is Kom tribe, and from that tribe Mary Kom has been come. Mary Kom is from Manipur state. She is a 5-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each of one of 6 world champions. Look, Mary Kom is 5-time world amateur boxing champion. Also, she became the first boxer to have a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. It means her contribution in boxing is very great. Her contribution in the boxing has been very excellent. She had given her best in boxing, and so she became successful in boxing. Nickname Magnificent Mary. Look, her nickname is Magnificent Mary. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer 2012 Summer Olympics, competing in the flyweight category and winning the bronze medal. Such Mary Kom became only the Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer 2012 Summer Olympics, who is playing in flyweight 51 category, and also she had won bronze medal in that Olympic game, and she became the first Indian woman to have such victory. Look, Mary Kom became the first Indian woman boxer to get qualified for summer 2000 Olympics, and she had played in flyweight 51 category. After participating in that Olympic, she tried hard to give her best, and also she had been succeeded. She won the bronze medal in the Olympic, and she became the first Indian boxer to have medal in Olympic for boxing. Okay. Such greatest personality. Mary Kom, and we are learning about such Mary Kom in this lesson. Look what does the writer says about Mary Kom. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports. If Indians had been survived in the sports, then there would have been one successful story. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports. If our Indians had remained in sports for long duration, if our Indians had, and some Indians had really played very well and won many medals, look, if more and more Indian players had given their best, had survived in sports, then there must have been one successful story, and now we have got such one successful story. Now we have got such one successful story. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. A lot of good things have been said about this great player warrior who has conquered the whole world in the boxing with her skill, with her determination, with her courage. Look, a lot of good things enough has been said about this great warrior who had conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Kom, the conqueror and the comrade. And this warrior is none other than Mary Kom. Mary Kom. He became the conqueror, comrade means he became the successful woman in boxing. He became the conqueror of the world, and such warrior is just Mary Kom. She is famed as 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of 6 world championships. Look, she got fame. She achieved such popularity as 5 times world boxing championship. Means she became 5 times world boxing champion. She became world boxing champion for 5 times, and she achieved one that greatest popularity, famous by becoming 5 times world boxing champion. Also, she is the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. Also, she became only one boxer to win a medal in every one of 6 world championships. She also created history. She also created history by winning medal in every one of 6 world championships. In 2012 Olympics, look, in the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. We have learned in introduction. We have learned about this history in her introduction. Once again I tell you, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify in the 2012 Olympics and to win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Look, she created history in Indian boxing by becoming the first Indian boxer by winning the first Olympic medal in boxing. Now look about her childhood. Kaur was born in Kanthei village, Moirang Lamkai in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. Mary Kom was born in Kanthei village, which is in Moirang Lamkai in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. Means in Manipur state, in one small village, namely Kanthei village, she was born. She came from a poor family. She was born in a very poor family. She has been come from very poor family. Her economic condition was very poor in her childhood. Her parents, Man Tonpa Kom and Man Akham Kom, were tenant farmers. Tenant means working in others' farm by giving money, by taking farm on rent. Tenant farmers to do farming on rent. Okay, tenant farmers who work in Jhum field. Jhum is one kind of farming in Manipur. Shifting, cultivation, farming is one kind of farming. And look, the parents of Mary Kom, namely Man Tonpa Kom and Man Akham Kom, they had been tenant farmers. They had been working on others' farm in Jhum field. It means they did not have their own farm also. They were from very poor family, and the parents of Mary Kom had been working in others' farm in Jhum field. Kom grew up in humble surrounding, humble, very polite, simple and poor condition, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Look, Mary Kom has been bringing up in very polite and simple family. Although they were very poor, they were very of good nature, they were very humble, polite in behavior. Although Mary Kom and her parents were very poor, they were very polite, very simple in living and behavior. And such Mary Kom had been growing in very simple, polite surroundings. In her childhood, Mary Kom had been helping her parents in farm-related chores. She had been helping her parents in farm-related work. Also, she was going to school. She was learning athletics initially. She was learning athletics and later boxing simultaneously. Initially, she started to learn athletics and later she started boxing, and both athletics and boxing she started at same time simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. Her father was very curious wrestler, very very skillful wrestler in his younger age. It means from the childhood, Mary Kom has been getting the lessons from sport, as her father has been a skillful, experienced wrestler. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age, and he has been supporting her for sports. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Mary Kom recalls, had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Look how had she been inspired to play boxing, to become boxer. How had she been inspired, by whom, to be the successful boxer? She had the great interest in athletics since childhood. She was very curious, very eager in athletics since childhood. And once what happened? One citizen in Manipur, namely Dinko Singh, won gold medal in 1908 Bangkok Asian Games, and his name is Dinko Singh. And that Dinko Singh, the success of the Dinko Singh, after winning gold medal in Bangkok Asian Games, had inspired all youngsters in Manipur. To try boxing, and so Mary Kom also turned towards boxing due to that inspiration. Look who had inspired Mary Kom. Dinko Singh, that personality, had won gold medal in 1998 Bangkok Asian Games, and the success of Dinko Singh had inspired all youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, to turn towards boxing, and so Mary Kom had been also turned to boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Look, to become successful, inspiration is must. To become star player, the role model, the idol is must, the guide or the excellent coach is must there. And in that way, Dinko Singh became the source of inspiration. Dinko Singh became the source of inspiration for Mary Kom. Now look, next passage. Mary Kom's career started in 2000 after her victory in Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the regional championship in West Bengal. Look, how did Mary Kom's career start? From where did Mary Kom's career start? Mary Kom's career had been started in 2000 when she got the great victory. She won the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the regional championship in West Bengal. Look, when she won Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship as well as the regional championship in West Bengal, in West Bengal at that time. At that time, her real professional career had been started in boxing. In 2001, she started competing at international level, and after that greatest success in 2001 she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut. International debut. Debut means the first appearance, first public appearance or performance. First public appearance or performance. Look, she was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. When Mary Kom was just 18 years old, at that time she participated in international sport first time at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, and in that game also she won a silver medal. She won a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category at the age of just 18. Have you understood? Look, when she was just 18 years old, at that time she had made her first appearance in the international game at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship, and also she won her silver medal in that game. In this way, she made her first debut in the international games. Her greatness is reinforced, increased, strengthened. By the way, she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. Look, in that games, in that AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship, she was able to win silver medal. She was able to win silver medal. She could not win gold medal, so she was so sad. She apologized the whole nation for not winning the gold medal. When she asked her forgiveness from the whole nation for not being able to win the gold, at that time her greatness has been again strengthened. Means she made a place in the heart of every citizen in India by asking her forgiveness for not winning the gold medal. It means she was so determined, she was so resolved for boxing. She was very devotive, very honest for boxing. She felt so sorry for not getting gold medal in that first international debut, and so she apologized for whole nation for not being able to win the gold medal at that time. Really, the great respect for Mary Kom has been created in the mind of every citizen in India. Every citizen in India at that time started to respect, started to honor Mary Kom. She is a legend for sure, legend, one who makes history. She is a legend for sure, Legend means the greatest personality, very famous. She is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sportswomen to look up to. And due to her struggle, due to her success, due to her strong willpower, she became a legend. She became an idol for all the sportswomen to look up to. Means all the sportswomen started to look at her as the source of inspiration. All sportswomen started to accept Mary Kom as their idol, as their ideal personality. In this way, we have discussed about her childhood life and about her initial career. Now, she has spoken in one interview. Now we have been discussing about that interview. What questions had been asked to her in that interview and how did she reply? Page number 130. An interview. In an exclusive interview, exclusive special with sports kid correspondent Taruka Srivastav. Sports kid correspondent, the sports representative Taruka Srivastav, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation, the great joy, the excitement, happiness at winning a medal. Look, once Mary Kom had given an interview with to Taruka Srivastav, and in that special interview with sports kid correspondent Taruka Srivastav, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her gladness, happiness at winning a medal. In that interview, she talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. Now look that interview. First question, interviewer. First things first, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Have the feeling completely sunk in? Sunk means to accept. The word has been given, I think that's to realize and to accept. Interviewer asked Mary Kom that she became the first Indian female boxer to win Olympic medal for India. Was that acceptable for her? Was whether she had realized that success, whether she had sensed that greatest success, really she had believed that great success. Look, what did she answer? Mary Kom, I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in, and just so exhilarated, very thrilled. Look, that was the greatest success for Mary Kom. It had been unbelievable. So interviewer asked whether she had accepted that success heartily, means whether she had believed that success Now look what did Mary Kom reply to that question. I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in. Mary Kom said she has been really happy with that achievement, but it had been really unbelievable for her. It has been yet to accept. I'm just so exhilarated. She has been thrilled. She has been really excited. Now, next question. Look what is the next question by interviewer. You were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Interviewer asked Mary Kom. In the Olympic Games, she was only female representative from India in boxing. In that Olympic, in boxing faculty, she had been only one female representative from India. Whether that put additional pressure on her, she asked whether that put additional pressure on her. Look what is the answer by Mary Kom. Mary Kom, no, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. Look, positivity of Mary Kom. She replied she did not have any kind of pressure, although she was only one female representative in Olympic from India, because she had been prepared, she had been pretty confident about herself. No, not at all. She had been pretty confident about herself as she had been prepared. So she said that there was no any pressure on her. She did not get afraid in that game. She was much confident. Now next question, interviewer asked, your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Interviewer asked, her coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to go with Mary Kom in the Olympics. It might be rule in the Olympic. The coach of Mary Kom, Charles Atkinson, had not been allowed to accompany Mary Kom in the Olympic. How did that affect your preparation? So, interviewer asked how that affected in her preparation. How that thing had affected in her preparation without coach. Means without the company of coach. Now look, Mary Kom, well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we have already done our homework and I was well prepared. In each time, in each question, positivity of Mary Kom gets rewarded. She replied that Mary Kom hardly missed her coach during the Olympic, but thankfully they had been already done their homework and she had been prepared, she had been confident. So although her coach had been not there, it didn't affect on Mary Kom or Mary Kom's performance, because she had been totally prepared. They had done their practice And so there was no any problem for Mary Kom. It didn't affect on Mary Kom's preparation or Mary Kom's performance in Olympic. Now next question. Interviewer, look which is next question. During your preparations for the Olympics, you spared means practiced motions of boxing during training without landing actual blows. Means practice motions of boxing during training, sparring, to do practice with other boxers and without actual blows, actual boxing. During your preparations for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxers of Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? Interviewer asked Mary Kom during her preparation. She had been practicing with male Indian boxers, and Mary Kom had been asked who was her favorite sparring partner, who was her favorite sparring boxer. Now look what was the answer of Mary Kom. Mary Kom had been asked about her favorite sparring partner. Mary Kom laughed on that question. Look, Mary Kom laughed on that question. I trained hard in Pune, and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. She explained, she replied that she had been trained hard in Pune. She had taken training in Pune with practice with male boxers, and according to her, male boxers were enough kind to practice with her whenever she required. In Pune, she had been taking training, and during that training, she had been practicing with male sparring partners. She sensed all male boxers were kind enough to help her, to practice with her whenever she required. So, to name a favorite would be unfair. Look, what a generosity, what a kindful feeling Mary Kom had. Many had helped her. Many sparring partners had practiced with her, and each sparring partner had helped Mary Kom in her preparation. So, to tell favorite among one would be very unfair for her. It means Mary Kom gives respect to each person who ever helped her. Her simplicity, her generosity, and the sense of respect gets reward from this step. How generous, how respectful Mary Kom had been. She didn't tell that person is my favorite, that boxer sparring partner is my favorite. No. Every person, every sparring partner had helped her, and so no one, she would not tell that it means to tell favorite person is very unfair for her. So she gave respect to everyone. Now next question. You were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, But although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. Tactical plan actions to play with planning. Plan actions to gain victory. I was scoring, but judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy? Dodgy means partial. Judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals. Look, the next question by interviewer. Once Mary Kom had quoted, what had she told? Adams, one of the boxer player, female boxer player. Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, opposite that boxer means counter puncher. Means once Mary Kom had quoted that Adams was very clever, counter puncher. But although she had power, she wasn't very tactical, means she was not playing with tact. At that time, Mary Kom was scoring very nice points, but judges were not pressing the buttons to give scores to Mary. At that time, Mary Kom was playing very nice. She has been scoring points by blowing on that opponent, but judges were not pressing buttons to give points to Mary Kom. And so interviewer asked whether she thinks that partial judging was part of the reason for her loss in the semi-final. After that sport, whether Mary Kom thinks that partial judging was the reason for her loss in the semi-final. Now look, what did Mary Kom reply? Mary Kom replied, yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. Mary Kom accepted that some of the decisions were unfortunate. Some of the decisions were really unfortunate and they did not work for the benefit of the Mary Kom. It means Mary Kom had been playing very nicely, but the decisions were not right by judges, and so she had been so upset, and it was the reason for losing the semi-final. It means sometimes judges also do partiality. They also give the wrong decisions, and it's really unfair for such honest, devoted players. Now next question. Mary Kom. Next question. India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people. Look, interviewer asked, in 2012, India just managed to win 6 medals. Although our population was at that time 130 crore. In 130 crore population, just we had got 6 medals in 2012 Olympics. It's really not so good. In the population of 130 crore, just we got 6 medals in 2000 Olympics. Where do you think a change is required to help us to to win medals that are proportionate with our population. So Inter were asked whether she thinks that change is required, whether she really thinks that there is change required to get help which help us to win medals according to with our population. Okay, I take this question and answer in next lecture again. Time is over. I take this same question and reply of Mary Kom in next lecture. Okay.